Wow.
This one's the mango one. It's got several layers.
ASMR video. No, this is so good.
All I see, I'm like looking around, all I see is this guy, like, this is the wall. You bloody creep.
You better like this video. You better like this video.
What's up, SB Squad? We are back with another video.
You see that?
And I know.
Very romantic.
Guys, we're so excited to do this. So we had no plans to do this kind of video. We actually, hold on, we'll wait for this to finish because this is
so nice.
Aussie's obviously fascinated with this.
Oh.
But when we went to the shop, we walked past this cafe and they had all these fancy cakes. We wanted to try them. We wanted to give you our review. So this is, oh, Aussie.
What?
Do you know the flavors? So this is a peach melba.
This is a pump.
A what?
A pump. Do you see the pump? Yeah.
So this is a peach melba. I guess it's peach and mousse. We'll see. This one's chocolate mousse bomb. This one was the mango cheesecake.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what this mushroom one is. It's very well detailed as well. Obviously, it's all edible. And this one's a Malteser. But which one should we try first?
We try the pump first.
Okay. So take this out. I'm pretty sure this is fondant. So this is edible too, or see if you want to eat it.
No, I don't want to eat that.
I want you to eat it.
Oh yeah, it's a caramel.
Mm-hmm.
No, don't do it like that. Give it to me.
What?
Just put it in the middle. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Guys.
Just show them.
Oh wait, I'll cut straight through it, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That is amazing. It's like a black forest. Oh.
Yeah, that's focus. See that, guys?
Oh, I bet.
Wow.
You can't just bite it all.
Yeah.
So we'll taste this one.
It's so yummy.
Oh, she got a plate.
See that?
Oh my gosh, guys. So this is like a mousse.
The jam is so good. It's like ice cream in there.
Mmm. There's a little bit of cake in there as well. Oh, that mousse is so good.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Mmm.
Let me have some.
Mmm. That one's...
This is better. This is more my dessert.
That one's so good. I want to bite the chocolate coating though. Give me a bite. We had topics to talk about today, but I think we're just going to focus on the cakes.
Yeah.
That is good.
So yummy.
No, I want to bite the coating. This would be like such a good ASMR video.
No, this is so good. Nee, we longen met je passie van. Kijk, hier ging is een maak, hier is een... See, beautiful.
Oh my god.
To be honest,
I need to drink water.
this one is 10 out of 10.
You can't eat it all yet, babe, because otherwise you're not going to have enough room for the other ones. Oh, well, you might as well eat it all now.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so we're going to try this mango one. Aussie ate the other little caramel thing on the bomb. I'm going to eat this little thing.
How can you rate this one? Can you rate this one? I already rate 10 out of 10.
I don't know. I know what that was. It was so gooey.
Yo, can I look your fingers?
Yeah. I give this one a 9.
It's so yummy, yeah. Wow. This is the first time I like sweet stuff, guys, you know?
This is a cheesecake, I'm pretty sure. How
So-
cute is it? I can't, like, how do I
Just
move
face-
this out?
Face like this.
don't touch it with your hands.
Yeah, we eat that one. See?
Ê, lại léo không muốn lâu lâu xí.
You clean your low.
Hold on. Guys, this one's the mango one. It's got several layers. It's got very pretty print. I guess the yellow stuff on the outside is the mango. So we'll try one side, yeah?
Yeah.
This one.
Oh.
It is a bit weird.
I don't like it, eh?
No, there's a mango puree in there.
Yeah, that's why it tastes like that.
And then inside some sort of cake.
The cake.
Yeah, so it's like cheese. The cheesecake is the bulk of it. Then they've got a bit of cake filling with mango puree. It's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad. I'll give this 5.
I give it 5 so that umaliyao.
I give 5 for this one.
Okay.
We try another one. The mushroom.
Guys, we went live on TikTok last night. We were literally live
Until 3.
until 3 a.m. in Australia.
Not me. No.
Was it? No, 3 in New Zealand, but it was like 1 o'clock here. Yeah.
Not bad.
Not too bad. But if you guys don't follow us already on TikTok, follow us. Aussie Key and Victoria Key. This is chocolate. This is hard chocolate. I can't actually get down.
Ooh.
It's like pink mousse. Well, let's just cut this off then. Oh, wow. This is the head of the mushroom. So I'm going to take the first bite. There's a bit of cake in there, I think.
What's that chili? What's that? Peaches.
It's nice.
Yeah. It's nice.
So I believe this is white chocolate. Oh, there's also cake in the stem part. Yeah, let me give you a taste. And there's cake in there too.
Just put that thing down. Ooh.
Because the bloody jelly thing's too heavy.
Oh my gosh. I don't know what are you doing here.
It's not going to stay.
Just sit down. Just put it down. This is my favorite one, guys. You know? This is my favorite one. Yo, this one, I'll give this one 10 out of 10. 5. And this one's 5.5.
I'll give this one 9.5. This one, maybe a 6. This one, maybe a 6. This is the Malteser one.
What's that one called?
Malteser.
Malteser.
Yeah, chocolate cake
and
filling. So it's definitely like a Malteser kind of thing.
Yep.
Yep. So let's dig in, Aussie.
Episode. Yeah.
Oh, look, the thing came off.
This one's nice, eh?
It definitely tastes like a Malteser. This red stuff is so nice.
Yeah, that one's nice.
I give this one an 8.
Yeah. Cô sao đây ạ? Ở đây okay, fade white come on. This one's like chocolate with ice cream cake in there, you know? But kamare pe kau fa cái oi pe kau fa kau phiêu lolo kamare ở đây pe kau mang hay yum. Yêu các cô ôm combo fruits.
Peach.
Le piki pomuro các cô ơi.
Let's move it over. Why can't you just cut it where the thing is?
Oh, yeah. Whoa!
Oh my gosh, it looks like this one, Aussie.
But different, I think it's custard in there. You try that one.
I'm feeling full now. Oh, it's like a jelly kind of ganache kind of thing. Cheers, guys.
My what's the more party?
It's nice. I just wish, is there cake in there? I think it's on this side.
Basio. Maros. Này đây ông ấy có phần mày im.
You know what? I've actually really always wanted to do one of these videos because I always see Sass doing these kinds of videos and I've always wanted to do one. So we had planned up to talk about how we met. I mean, most of you guys know how we met, but we wanted to give you like some details on like our trips when he first met my mummy. Remember when you first came to the waffle and that was
and we going together.
Yeah, this guy was such a creep though. He would be there when I would tell him to meet me somewhere. He would literally go and stand somewhere away for like a good half an hour minutes and watch us from far like a creep before coming and showing his face. All I see, I'm like looking around, all I see is this guy like, this is the wall. He was trying to suss out the situation. Because it was just my mum at that time.
Nah, I just want to see. First. Just want to see first. So, yeah, you know. So
even when I was at the airport, I had no idea he was at the airport. This one time I was leaving and he was going to meet me there at the airport. Bro, Mans was there and I called him. I'm like, what is so here? And he was like, I will never walk you, but I go up. Like me lo casting, you know, aku pa. You bloody creep.
So make sure you do the same thing as me, you know?
Oh, please do not.
You have to look and to see how many people there, how big are their families there, how, you know, and then you go to meet them all.
I got too many stories, guys. Too many. I've got stories here in Offerman. I got on my eyebrow.
The what?
This.
There's nothing.
It is. That's true love.
Vad är det här video?
Nej.
Vad är med det här video? Next prank.
Excuse me. I will singe your.
Don't do that, guys. It's just
I will singe your thing here, so don't. So don't even go there.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Don't even go
it's
there.
Just a joke here. Just a joke. You know, I love her so much. You know.
Anyways, guys, so that's our video, our short little video. We want it to be fancy, like one of those ASMR channels.
I'll rate this one 25.
I would rate it maybe 33 out of 50, like all up, tallied. It is a lot to take in at one time, so that might have affected my judgment or our judgment. My favorite would have to be the bomb.
This one is so nice.
Yeah.
The bomb. So
the bomb.
Beautiful.
But anyways, guys.
We bring two, eh?
Really?
Yeah.
You can have it then.
No, just take for them.
No, I want you to have it.
Take for them.
Alright guys, but that's our video. We hope you enjoyed it. I don't know if many of you guys know that that's actually Siaosi that's saying it at the beginning of the videos.
You better like this video. You better like this video.
You see that?
It helps our channel out a lot when you do like it, so make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications, guys. Nodi Gang, if you come within the first hour, you're considered Nodi Gang. SV Squad signing out.
I love you. Whoa.